Winpin is striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connectivity solution. The introduction of Winpin's MX3 series connectors. The wire end is press-fitted and mounted with cable. The terminals are in four-sided contact, provide better stability for data transmission. The product can be self-locking once inserted to avoid the shake-off. Single roll right angle. Deplugged. 180-degree SMT. Dual roll 90-degree SMD. Right angle. Deplug. 180-degree SMT. The product is available for side entry and top entry. MX3 series can be customized from 1 pin to 12 pin for both single, roll, and dual rolls in order to meet customers' different needs. Winpin is striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connectivity solution.